Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I wanted to show you what my thoughts were in terms of putting on a rear rack on the top Vario case carrier that comes with the bike already. Givi looks like is the only one right now that actually makes a rack that installs right on top of the OEM top carrier. I don't know why other manufacturers like Hepco and Becker or SW Motech et al. Why they're not doing this, I have no idea why not, because most of the bikes that are coming, especially the triple blacks and some of the higher end bikes coming from Germany are all fitted with the top carrier for the Vario cases. So I'm not sure why they would be missing out on that market instead of peddling their tube style 1990s looking frames or racks. So here it is, and the reason why I'm doing this, and I'm gonna have to do some mods to it, is because I don't want to replace the top case carrier, and I want to install this, the one that I've already had, which is the SW Motech Sport tail bag. So let me go show you what it looks like on the bike. So here's what it would look like mocked up. I mean, this is just mocked up right now on the bike. I haven't put the bolts through, but you'll see down below that they all line up. This is what it would look like. I think it looks really clean. The finish on this is like kind of some kind of brushed powder coat. Looks really, really good, sleek, right? So again, I don't know why other OEMs aren't doing this. Maybe they are in production, but Givi, as per the usual, because they do have that partnership with BMW, came out with theirs first, and it looks great. I'm probably going to be doing a lot of mods to this in order to fit this tail bag on here, right? That would look like kind of like that. You know, it's going to look something like that, right? So what I need to do, because this comes with their pro ring, right? It's magnetic and it clicks on, so there's no straps. I cannot stand straps, so I'm trying to avoid them. Now, in order to fit that pro ring, right, it's gonna have to go somewhere in here. I'm not sure, these holes might be too big. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. It's on order right now, so it should be arriving sometime next week. And I will show you probably how I'm going to modify this by drilling some holes, and if not, having to put a plate over it in order to do so. So stay tuned, but this is what it looks like.